Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with complete GitLab CI/CD pipeline tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about importance of masking variable and secret. Okay, so why we need to why we need to mask the variable and secret. So whenever we don't want to expose our secret to everyone, like either they belongs to our organization or not, so in that case we use and we mask our variable and secret in CI/CD pipeline. Okay, so let's discuss this theory first, then we'll see the practical things, okay, in the real time how we can mask the secrets. So protect sensitive information. So CI/CD pipeline often use sensitive data such as API keys, password and tokens. If exposed, this information can be misused, leading to data breaches or unauthorized access. Okay, so minimize attack surface. By masking secrets in log and output, you reduce the chances of attackers gaining access to this credential through the log analysis or CI/CD pipeline outputs. Okay, so you can protect like your API key, password and tokens, any other like sensitive information that you want to protect. You can mask this whatever secret is, okay, and that will not get exposed in any log or anywhere. Okay, so how we can set up? Let's jump to the GitLab and see. Okay, for that we need to go to the settings here. Okay, in the left we can see these settings, then CI/CD, click on CI/CD, then after that we have to look for variable. Okay, and we have to click on add variable. Here is the option of CI/CD variable, and here is another option that is belongs to group variable. Okay, so we are not going to see that group variable, we are going with the simple one, that is CI/CD variables, and we are going to add the variable. Okay, so as you can see we have type, variable type, that is default, and we have another variable type that is file. So we can also use file variable. So I am going with the default one, and you can also create variable and add variable for different environment if you have. Okay, so you can add for different environment according to your requirement. Okay, so here we have another option, that is visibility. So if you select this, visible can be seen in the job logs. So if you select this, your secret will be like exposed in job logs, CI/CD pipeline logs. Okay, so if you select this mask one, your secret will not get exposed in CI/CD logs. Okay, mask and hidden, this is also one of the option, but in most of the cases, most of the project, you will be using this mask one. Okay, and mask and hidden is like more like powerful than mask one. Okay, but that is not too much required. Okay, so mask one is always fine, but you can use this one as well according to your requirement. If your data like is more sensitive, then you can also go for mask and hidden one. Okay, so flag. Okay, protect variable. So export variable to the pipeline running on the protected branch and target only. Okay, tags only. Okay, so whenever like you are adding the variable, that if you check mark this protect variable, this variable will be only available for protected branch and tag only. Okay, so in our case we are not going to test this on any protected branch, so I have unchecked this. Okay, so and another option is expand variable reference. So dollar will be treated as the start of reference to the another variable. So I am also going to uncheck this one as well. So I am going to use the description my secret and the key my secret token and the value that I am going to get from document. Okay, so that ABCD XYZ 1 2 3 XYZ. Okay, so let's go and paste our value here. Okay, and what option we have chosen there? Okay, mask and hidden. So let's select first one, visual. So we'll see like our this value is getting exposed in pipeline logs or not. Okay, while using this, okay, it will be visual, but then after that we'll select this one and we'll see it's getting exposed or not, to be more clear. Okay, so add variable. So our variable got added. So I am here on this testing project. Okay, so I am on next release branch. Okay, so I have that code that is available on next release branch. Okay, so I am going to use that variable here, echo, then double quotes, masking variables. Okay, and while using variable we have to use dollar sign and the variable key. Okay, so that is my_secret_token. Okay, so variable key. So paste it here and let's save this. So we have used like that variable only in build stage, right? So comment added variable. Okay, commit this change, sync change, and let's go to the pipeline, go to the build, go to the pipelines. Okay, so refresh this. So pipeline is running. So we have added for build stage only that variable, so we'll look for build stage only. Okay, and the secret is getting exposed and not. So as you can see here, hello echo masking variable and the value that we have used, right, that is getting exposed, ABC 1 2 3 XYZ, right? So what we'll do, we'll change the setting of variable. Okay, so go to the variables and edit it and click on mask and save this. Okay, so we have updated our variable configuration. So let's go to the build again. Okay, build pipelines, and then after that click on pipeline ID, and we have only added for build stage, so let's run it for build stage and we'll see this time our secret will not get exposed in CI/CD logs. Okay, pipeline logs. So let's run the pipeline. So let's wait for some times. Oh, yeah, so hello echo masking variable, and the value instead of whatever secret we have passed, we are getting masked, right? So our variable that is get masked, we are getting the only info that is mask, we are not getting the value here, right? So that's the good thing here. So let me add this for both of the stages. Okay, and let's save this. Let me commit this. Okay, and we'll check for both of the stages. Okay, okay, it's getting committed. So let's go to the pipelines. Okay, it's running now. Click on the pipeline ID. So build is running now. So let's see this, and as we can see, we are able to see only the value of mask. Okay, it's saying the mask, it's not exposing the secret here, right? So let's go back and look for the test stage log as well. So it's getting, yeah, so we are also getting mask here. Okay, so it's not exposing our secrets. So this is how we can mask our variable and secrets in CI/CD pipeline. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query regarding this video, any confusion, then you can put down them in comment section. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.